Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for your Google Drive. Let's get into it. First, get the link to your file. The first step is to find the file you want to share and copy the special web address that points to it. Open your Google Drive, find your file, and click on the Share button or the small link icon. Make sure the settings are set so that anyone with the link can see it, then click Copy Link. You need this link so the code knows exactly where to send people when they look at it with their phones. It ensures your work is ready to be seen. Next, find a simple code maker website. You need to find a website that can turn your long link into a small square picture. Open a new tab in your browser and type in QR code maker to find a free website. Pick a website that looks clean and easy to use for your task. These websites do the hard work of turning your text into a picture. Using a simple site keeps your project fast and fun. Next, paste your link into the box. Now you need to give the website the information it needs to create your special square. Look for the empty box on the website that asks for a web address or URL. Paste your Google Drive link into that box. This is the most important part. Once the website has your link, it will immediately start building the pattern for your code. It ensures that your file is connected to the square picture. And lastly, save and share your code. The final step is to save the picture to your computer or phone, so you can print it or send it to your friends. Click the button that says Download or Save to keep the picture on your device. Give the picture a name so you can find it easily. Now that you have the picture, you can put it on a paper or show it on your screen. Now your Google Drive file is ready for everyone to see with a quick scan. And that's it. To create a QR code, copy your file link, visit a CodeMaker website, paste your link, and save the final picture. This straightforward plan makes sure your sharing task is easy and successful. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.